Well, as you know better than anybody else, the total cost of ownership of a data center, only 10 to 15% is energy. And that's the part you're presumably saving by moving this into space.
Well, the availability of energy is the issue. But if you're putting data centers anywhere except China, where are you going to get your electricity? Especially as you scale. The output of chips is growing pretty much exponentially, but the output of electricity is flat. So how are you going to turn the chips on? Electrical electricity ferries?
It's like harder to build on land than it is in space.
So it's actually much cheaper to do in space. And my prediction is that it will be by far the cheapest place to put AI will be space in 36 months or less, maybe 30 months.
36 months?
But you can mark my words. In 36 months, but probably closer to 30 months, the most economically compelling place to put AI will be space. And then the scaling, the only place you can really scale is space. Once you start thinking in terms of what percentage of the sun's power are you harnessing, you realize you have to go to space. You can't scale very, very much on Earth, right? So, if you say a terawatt, that would be twice as much electricity as the United States currently consumes. It's like those who have lived in software land don't realize that they're about to have a hard lesson in hardware. It's actually very difficult to build power plants. And I had to gang together a whole bunch of turbines. Well, it gets pretty friggin' hot in Memphis. So the actual roughly every 110,000 GB300s, inclusive of networking, CPU storage, cooling, margin for servicing power, is roughly 300 megawatts. I invite, again, try doing it, and then you'll see. The turbines are sold out through 2030.
And there's a narrative that the change in discussion around the SpaceX IPO is because previously SpaceX was very capital efficient, just it wasn't that expensive to develop.
And the sun is essentially all the energy. So it obviously, the only way to scale is to go to space with solar.